You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French actress. We're going to be looking at how to say it in French and also in how you can easily say it in English. For more celebrity names and French names, stay tuned to the channel. In French, in France, it is pronounced as Adèle. Adèle, yeah, it's pretty similar to English. Adèle, Adèle. Exarchopoulos, Exarchopoulos. Now you have to know that in French, no particular syllable is stressed more than the others. So Exarchopoulos, you can say Exarchopoulos or Exarchopoulos. Doesn't really matter for French. That suggests you kind of don't stress any particular syllable. Adèle Exarchopoulos. Exarchopoulos is fine, or Exarchopoulos, but Exarchopoulos I think sounds fine. Adèle Exarchopoulos. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.